Best Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor in 2026. Home security has changed a lot in the last few years. Most people no longer want complicated wiring, high installation costs, or monthly cloud fees that never end. A good solar security camera should be simple. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5. Best AOSU T2 Pro Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. The AOSU T2 Pro is a smart option for homeowners who want wider coverage without mounting several cameras around the house. What caught my attention first was the dual camera setup. One lens stays fixed with a wide view, while the other rotates to follow movement. That combination helps reduce blind spots around driveways, garages, and front yards. Installation is fairly simple because the camera is wireless and solar-powered. That makes it useful for renters or homeowners who do not want to drill through walls for cables. The mobile app feels responsive, and alerts arrive quickly when motion is detected. The motion tracking is useful, though it can occasionally react too aggressively when cars pass by often. Still, for overall outdoor coverage, it does a solid job. Dual 3 kilobyte camera system. 360-degree PTZ tracking. Solar-powered wireless design. Number 4. Best AOSU SolarCam D1 Max 2 Cam Kit. The AOSU SolarCam D1 Max 2 Cam Kit feels more premium right away. The biggest highlight is the 4 kilobyte video resolution. Footage looks very detailed, especially when checking license plates or faces from a distance. If you have a larger property or wide driveway, that extra clarity makes a real difference. I also like the built-in local storage system. Many buyers in the United States are tired of paying monthly subscription costs just to view recordings. This camera avoids that problem by storing footage directly in the AOSU-based system. Even if the internet goes down, recordings stay protected at home. Setup takes a little more time compared to single camera models, but the added features justify it. The app interface is easy to understand, and Alexa support is a nice bonus for smart home users. The higher price may not fit every budget, but the performance feels reliable for long-term home security use. 4 kilobyte ultra high-definition recording. Expandable local storage up to 1 terabyte. Automatic motion tracking technology. Number 3. Best Reolink Argus PT Ultra+ Solar Panel. The Reolink Argus PT Ultra is a strong pick for people who care most about video clarity. The 4 kilobyte 8 megapixel resolution delivers very sharp footage both day and night. Faces, packages, and vehicle details look more defined compared to many standard 2 kilobyte cameras. Night vision is another strong point. The built-in spotlight helps maintain color footage after dark, which can make identifying people easier. I also like that Reolink avoids monthly subscription fees for core features. The app experience is decent, although beginners may need a little time to learn all the settings. Still, the overall value feels very competitive for the price. 4 kilobyte 8 megapixel video quality. Wire-free solar-powered operation. Dual-band Wi-Fi support. Number 2. Best AOSU Solar Camera Security Outdoor. If you want a more affordable solar security camera that still feels dependable, this AOSU model is a very balanced choice. It covers the basics extremely well while keeping the setup process simple. That makes it a great fit for first-time buyers. The 360-degree panoramic view helps cover wide outdoor spaces without needing multiple cameras. I also found the human tracking feature useful for following movement around walkways and entry points. For smaller homes, apartments, or side yards, this camera offers strong, everyday performance. I also like that the fixed solar panel keeps charging simple. Once installed, you rarely need to think about battery maintenance. The app setup process is beginner-friendly, with voice guidance that helps speed things up. The only limitation is that advanced users may want higher resolution or larger storage options. Still, for the price, it delivers impressive value. 360-degree panoramic coverage. 2 kilobyte color night vision. Easy solar-powered installation. Number 1. Best Pick AOSU Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless 4Cam Kit. This AOSU 4Cam kit easily earns the top spot because it delivers the best balance of coverage, value, smart features, and long-term convenience. For families who want a complete home security setup without ongoing subscription costs, this system makes a lot of sense. The solar-powered design is another major reason this kit stands out. Once installed, the cameras need very little maintenance. That convenience matters for busy households that do not want to constantly recharge batteries. The app experience feels clean and easy to use, even for beginners. Notifications arrive quickly, live streaming remains stable, and setup is far less frustrating than many older security systems. While the upfront cost is higher than single-camera models, the value becomes much better when you consider you are getting 4 cameras plus local storage in one package. Overall, this is the best complete solar security camera system for most homeowners in 2026. For camera, full property coverage. No subscription local storage system. Automatic tracking with solar power. Final verdict. After comparing all these models, the AOSU Security Camera's outdoor wireless 4-cam kit stands out as the best overall choice for most homes. It gives you reliable coverage, simple setup, solar charging, and local storage without monthly fees. The balance between price, performance, and convenience makes it the strongest all-around pick for families in the United States. Be sure to check the links in the description for current prices, discounts, and more details on each camera before making your final choice.